Hey, it's Sabrina, WYD. I really had to get that first announcement out. That was like the most important thing in my life right now. WYD DIY. Oh, we're gonna cook because I took a poll on my Instagram and I asked for the next video to either sew or cook, and I think it was 60% wanted me to cook. We're gonna make pumpkin bread ring with maple cream cheese filling. First disclosure, I don't have like a bread ring thing, the ring pan, so they're gonna be cupcakes. I'm gonna link this recipe in the bio if anybody's into it. It says vegan cream cheese because like this is under vegan recipes, but that's the only vegan thing, and I just bought normal cream cheese because vegan cream cheese, I don't know. I was at Publix and that wasn't gonna happen. Cream cheese soften, which I did not do, and I knew I was gonna make this today. Lemon juice. I have a lemon. Vanilla extract. Maple syrup. Okay, first step. Wait, no, I like to get all the ingredients. Oh, vegetable oil. Cheers. Step number 1, preheat the oven to 350. I'm not doing that because I take too long and that's fast. I'm gonna be doubling the recipe because I bought 2 cans of pumpkin, and because they said 16 ounces and this is 15, and it's like, can you just give me like an actual number? So, and it was 2 for $3. Wow, pumpkin cheesecake? What if I just make this instead? It says soften, but like naturally, isn't it just already soft? Like it's just gonna be cold. I would love to put some music right now, but copyright. I got copyrighted in my last video on an 80s Japanese song, and I was just quiet for a good 30 seconds. Strike. You're out of here. I haven't had this in a while. I wonder what vegan cream cheese tastes like. You know, I only found this recipe because, first off, I want to be vegan because I figured out that there's like an 80% chance that I'm like lactose intolerant, because just give up, try giving up milk for like a week and see what happens. And I noticed a lot of changes, and I was like, you know what, milk is out the door. I only drink it because I thought it was healthy. I honestly don't even like milk, and then eggs, don't even like eggs. It wasn't really that hard to be vegan because I did it for like a month maybe, but the thing was I still ate meat because I don't know, I just can't get rid of that. In my kitchen we have measuring cups, but I just don't use them. I look at it and I just, because I don't feel like getting it dirty. I know it's so wasteful, but, and you know, if you do the cooking by the book, it's okay. Oh wow, that's a sticker. That's maybe 1 teaspoon with 2 teaspoons. That's like 1, 2, and a dot. This is the first time I bought like that good syrup. 100% pure maple syrup. Like, this ain't no Aunt Jemima. This ain't no Miss Butterworth's. Like, this is, I've never had this, so we're gonna have a little taste test. Whoa. Okay, this one I'm not playing. This is money right here. What the hell? It's very... almost tastes like coffee. So they like stir this with like a fork. Oh. Now I understand. Honestly, you can use a hand blender. I wonder if the people that chose that they wanted me to cook, like why? What is it doing for you? Like, I'm just curious. How did they use a fork? This hurts. What if I just let it sit? Pumpkin time. You're gonna need the flour, the brown sugar, cinnamon, allspice, nutmeg, ginger, cloves, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and whisk. 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So to double, that'd be 2, 5 cups. I think it's like a cup left in here. Tasty recipes are honestly actually good. Like, I made these chicken teriyaki meatballs like 2 days ago. Really good. My cookie recipe, it's from Tasty. I didn't think of that myself. A cup of brown sugar, so 2 cups. A teaspoon of cinnamon. There we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. 1/8 a teaspoon of allspice. You know, I never knew what this was until yesterday when I bought it. It just smells like the holidays. We're just gonna... You know what? That probably... You know what? I'm not gonna say anything. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Ground ginger. 1/8 of ground cloves. It smells like it's rude, but this all smells like stuff a pumpkin needs. Baking soda, baking powder, and salt. So, 1... Wait! I was supposed to double the recipe. I think I'm gonna have to put more seasoning. Oh, I think that was too much. Gotta go in the order. So you just put the dry ingredients and then you whisk it, right? Because then you're gonna combine the puree, oil, and water, vanilla in another bowl. That's another bowl. So combine the pumpkin. Two teaspoons of vanilla extract, so that'd be like 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically they're just putting each little bit inside and then mixing it. Oh, and then they put it in the pan. Oh, okay. I think this is mixed up. Look at it move, like it just doesn't. Honestly, just... I don't like how things like hang on the edge of the bowl. Every video, I tell you, every video. This is actually turning out good. It's turning out the same color. So now is the fun part. Cupcakes. That's a lot of batter, so I'm probably gonna make like a lot. Sauce time. Wait, I can't put all of it. That looks like half. Wait, I was supposed to spray this. You know what? We did it. We did it, guys. Wait, I should have preheated. Oh my god. Well, I'm gonna go wash the dishes and it's time to bake. We're back. So these went in the oven at the same time. I put it in for 15 minutes. No, yeah, 15 minutes, and then it was still like doughy in the middle, and then and then I put it in for 10 minutes, and then it was like done. Look at that. I think I'll try the cupcake first. It was kind of hard taking them out because they're all like squishy because of the stuff. And it was a mess. Look at that. Uneven. Forgot to put the icing. For how much like seasoning we put, it doesn't really have that much flavor. For this being like completely like handmade, it tastes almost like, well, of course it tastes like it was handmade, but it tastes like that really good store-bought cake that tastes like it is homemade, handmade, homemade. You're gonna need a drink to wash that down because it's so dense. Like, it's very dense. It's because of the pumpkin. This was really good. And, you know, just perfect it. Like, make it look prettier. It was a little hard to manipulate, but this was pretty good. Really, really good, like, holiday recipe. And you're gonna have some of that left over. Just eat it up. Put it on top, put it like icing. Let me know if you make it, like for real. Let me know and tell me, how did it taste? What did you do differently? Maybe it's because I didn't put enough oil, you know? That could be something, but it tastes perfect. Sabrina WYD out.